In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and customize a page on Notion, utilizing Google's search capabilities and Great Notion's support services. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Notion and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you'll want to look for the official Notion website. It's usually the first one that appears with a succinct URL. Clicking on this link will take you directly to Notion's homepage. Once you're on Notion's main website, locate the Login button found at the top right corner and click it. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to access your workspace. But if you're new to Notion, you'll find options to sign up, which are straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring a smooth sign-up process. After logging in, you're greeted by your personal dashboard. Find and click on Add New Page in the sidebar. This is where all the magic begins. Selecting Add New Page prompts a dialog with different templates and options. For simplicity, we'll go with an empty page. Clicking on Empty Page provides you with a clean slate to start building your custom page. At this point, let your creativity unfold. You can name your page based on the content or project you plan to work on. This flexibility ensures you remain organized and focused on your objectives. Now to inject some functionality into your page, type in Calendar into the text area. As you type, Notion will suggest a selection of features. Choose Calendar from the menu that appears. This will embed a functional calendar within your page, ready for you to use. You can set a variety of tasks or events to keep track of your schedule with ease. This feature thrives on simplicity and is ideal for quick planning or an overview of your monthly engagements. As you continue to enhance your page, try typing or highlight, which allows you to emphasize certain areas of text on your page, making it stand out for easy reference later. This feature takes full advantage of Notion's sleek interface, streamlining how you manage and organize information. Finally, don't hesitate to explore all the available buttons and options Notion offers. Experimenting with various features fuels creativity and could reveal efficiencies you hadn't considered before. Notion is quite intuitive, and even the exploration process can be enjoyable. Each button, each function is crafted to offer something unique to your workflow. Remember, the possibilities with Notion are vast, catering to both simple and complex needs. This concludes our guide on navigating and setting up a page within Notion, using Google's help and the robust functionalities of Great Notion support services. Feel free to revisit any section as you explore and create with Notion.